Hello friends, welcome once again. My today's task is to get the late report of each employee from the given attendance report. Let's learn how we can achieve this. So we will use Countifs function for achieving the task that which employee David and John, how many days they are late. So come over here, click on it, equals Countifs. Here we can give multiple range to get the count of a given range. So first we will select the range of the names and lock it by pressing F4, comma, give your criteria. So in this case it would be David. Do not lock it, because when we copy this into the next cell, it will always count the David. It will not count the next cell required. Again press comma, select the second range. This time it would be flag only, and you can lock it as well. Then press comma once again and give your criteria. So we want the late candidates and enter. So David is late 4 days and John is also late by 4 days. So you can do this method Countifs for getting this kind of information. Hope it is useful for you. If you like the video, please hit the button. If you want to say something to me, comment on it, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Please come back again.